Okay, hello everyone. Today we appeared for Snap. Along with me we have Rachit, Prashant and Mayank. So we'll talk about the 4:30 slot, very similar to 2 o'clock slot. बहुत ज़्यादा difficult नहीं था, simple series वाले question थे. But yes, there was some question which really require time. And there was one question which I took around 4 minutes of APGP. But rest questions I find very doable. And there was no RC. Most of the questions were based on grammar. 2 questions from your sentence correction, and then there were questions on finding the which adverb or adjective it is, which part of speech it is used. So let us ask the students who have appeared. So your first take on this paper 4:30. Yes. Easy, medium, difficult? Medium level. Okay. So मॉक लेवल जो होता है बहुत ज़्यादा डिफिकल्ट है. क्वांट के बारे में क्या कहेंगे आप?
क्वांट मेरी तो स्ट्रेंथ नहीं है. क्वांट
आपकी स्ट्रेंथ नहीं है तो व्हाट इज योर अटेम्प्ट क्वांट?
आई गेस 9 or 10.
9 or 10? 14 you attempt. 15. So quant you have one question which was on log. किया आपने? नहीं किया. देखो बहुत इजी क्वेश्चन आया था. इसमें से ये बच्चे जिनका मैथ्स अच्छा है फिर भी ये लॉग का क्वेश्चन नहीं आया, इसको बोलते हैं एग्जाम प्रेशर. वैसे उसका आंसर 3 था, नोट कर लो. इट वॉज एन ईजी क्वेश्चन, वेरी इजी क्वेश्चन फॉर लॉग. ओके, DI क्वेश्चन क्या आंसर आया? एक ही तो क्वेश्चन है DI का. डाटा इंटरप्रिटेशन नहीं
सर P3.
हाँ
CBD
होगा बिकॉज उसमें सेल्स दिया हुआ था और प्रॉफिट पूछा था, तो CBD. तो बहुत सारे सिटर्स थे आई वुड से, विच यू हैव आइडेंटिफाइड. ओके, वर्बल नो RC. क्वेश्चन ऑन ग्रामर नॉट वेरी डिफिकल्ट, डूएबल क्वेश्चन. ठीक है. और वो जो फिगर ऑफ स्पीच था उसका आंसर क्या आया? हाइपरबोल. Same ditto question we have done in our video also, where it talks about I could fill desert with my tears kind of thing, right? And then there was question on finding the adjective and adverb.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
One
Hard
was
and hard.
Hard and hard. There was some question based on the uses of word also, right? Did you attempt that? Or one single word was used twice, like hard and hard. There was one more question.
No sir, it was a black currant वाला.
Black currant, yeah. It was based on the black currant.
एक black currant खाने वाला हो गया,
एक black currant.
एक current diet वाला.
Current diet वाला आ गया. So वो current वाला आना था, right? So okay. And then there was question on berries also. Different berries. वो color match करना था.
Okay.
Right? That was also I would say a slightly difficult question. Usually वो catch करना मुश्किल था. Now coming to the LR part, there was one word, lexicographic, right? Which is in the dictionary order, nothing but dictionary order. And जितने भी बच्चे मेरे आसपास में बैठे थे उनका यही था कि सर ये lexicography क्या होता है. भाई मैं बोलता हूँ कि क्या हो सकता है ना, जस्ट अप्लाई कॉमन सेंस. कुछ नहीं है तो डिक्शनरी ऑर्डर और अल्फाबेटिक ऑर्डर लगा के कर सकते थे. तो इन सभी ने 2 क्वेश्चन मिस किए. वो
एक
ट्राई कर दिया था. एंड देयर वाज वेरी इजी क्वेश्चन ऑन सीरीज, राइट? कोडिंग क्वेश्चन हो गया. कोडिंग no, one wrong term question was also there. What was the answer? 70 की जगह 70 आना चाहिए था.
हाँ 61.1.
61.9 तो एवरेज वाला क्वेश्चन था वो. 62.9. Okay, quantitative aptitude, there was some question which were calculative I would say.
Yes, sir.
But overall it was doable paper. You know, बच्चा लोग जो पेपर देंगे वो देके बहुत खुश हुए होंगे क्योंकि पेपर बहुत doable था. Except I would say 10 questions, 50 questions were straight question, or these 10 questions should be the deciding factor. And to get a symbiosis call, I would say anything plus 50 should be required attempt, right? And cutoff should, according to this paper, should be around 40 for SIBM today, right? Rest detailed analysis we will do at 9 PM. So see you live at 9 PM. Thank you very much.